Simon says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello and welcome to another episode. And in this episode, we're trying to learn how to organize your Scrum team. And in your Scrum team, the first important part that you're going to learn about is self-organization, which is a critical component of the Scrum framework in itself, where the team members get to decide amongst themselves what tasks they need to execute in order to achieve the sprint goal. It's a powerful concept, which allows the team to work autonomously and without the need for a traditional manager or team leader. So self-organization is the heart of the Scrum framework. Now, this self-organization in the Scrum framework is highly disciplined and requires a few foundational elements, which are, for example, the Sprint Backlog, the Sprint Burndown Chart, and Daily Scrum Meetings. These components work together to ensure that the team is continuously working towards their sprint goals. So self-organization is achieved through these three logs. It's also essential to know that self-organization requires a learning phase. And competent Scrum Masters who possess Scrum Master certifications, they'll help the team to achieve self-organization as quickly as possible. They provide guidance and support to the team and ensure that they have the necessary tools to be successful. Self-organization also requires the ability to work together despite different opinions and possible conflicts amongst various team members. So conflict resolution is also an essential part. The team must have compliance and trust in joint decision-making processes. Without that, it won't work. These decision-making processes may include planning, estimation, implementing, reporting, and reviewing the work that the Scrum team is jointly responsible for. Now, to better understand self-organization, let's consider an example from the real world. Okay? So in this example, I'm considering a sports team that can self-organize and work together cohesively without really relying on the coach to micromanage every move. For instance, in a basketball team, a team that can self-organize effectively will execute plays without any cues from their coach, and they will make every quick decision that's required to outmaneuver the opponent team. Let's jump into the business world. So a self-organizing business team can lead to an increased productivity, better problem solving, and higher levels of engagement. For example, an advertising agency, let's suppose, that practices self-organization on the Scrum framework can quickly adapt to changes in the market. They would sit down and brainstorm new ideas, collaborate with each other. Now, in the business world, for example, self-organization can lead to increased productivity, better problem-solving skills, and higher levels of engagement. For instance, an advertising agency that practices self-organization using the Scrum framework can quickly adapt to changes in the market. They can brainstorm new ideas collaboratively and execute new campaigns without excessive management oversight. So hence, there's no need of a project manager. Once again, to sum up all this, what we've discussed right now, self-organization is a critical component of the Scrum framework. And it enables teams to work autonomously and achieve their goals without the need for, like I said, a traditional manager or a traditional team leader. Now, how do they do this? They do this by prioritizing teamwork, collaboration, and trust in the decision-making processes. And these teams can definitely then achieve better productivity and problem-solving overall. So, at the heart of all the Scrum framework and organization, what you find is people who are responsible and really interested in organizing themselves. And this is pretty much what a Scrum team would look like. A self-organizing, self-disciplined team, which is ready to take on challenges without needing a lot of push from their managers. And that is it for this lesson. See you in the next one.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.